It is hard to imagine that the simple and exquisite shampoo bottle dispenser pumps we know are made of discarded and recycled plastic materials. Taiwanese manufacturer Living Fountain Plastic is collaborating with Dafeng Environmental Technology and Allright brand to co-develop 100% recyclable shampoo bottle dispensers. John Chan, the president of Living Fountain Plastic, said, "When Stephen Koh, the acting chairman of Allright, brought up this issue, we all felt that as part of the Earth, we should contribute to produce this fully recyclable plastic dispenser pump." In the process of making the 100% recyclable plastic products, Dafeng is responsible for providing the waste plastic materials, and Living Fountain Plastic is responsible for manufacturing the finished products with the help of plastic injection molding machines and assembly equipment. Finally, the dispenser pumps are handed over to the beauty brand Allright. John Chen said, "Our production capacity of dispenser pumps is about 120,000 to 150,000 pieces daily, which is considered substantial. Therefore, we perform sampling inspections during the production process based on AQL standards to ensure that the products are flawless." Established in 1991, Living Fountain Plastic has long been committed to the development of high-quality, non-toxic packaging materials that comply with environmental protection regulations. The company has won many awards, including the National Award of Outstanding SMEs, the Taichung City Golden Hand Award, and the Rising Star Award from the Ministry of Economic Affairs. It is also the world's first manufacturer to apply recycled plastics to plastic dispenser pumps. The company currently focuses on manufacturing three major product categories. First, cleaning and maintenance packaging materials. Secondly, food safety packaging materials. And thirdly, biomedical packaging materials. John Chen added, "Being a manufacturer, we anticipate and hope to become a circulatory manufacturer to reduce the impact on the environment." Living Fountain Plastic has declared itself as part of the circular economy to minimize the impact of the manufacturing industry on the environment. Despite many setbacks encountered during the R&D process, it has never given up but rather adhered to the spirit of collecting strength and marching forward courageously, and continuously strives towards the principle of being non-toxic, clean, energy-saving, and sustainable.